Check 1, 2. How does that sound, May Mamengwa? Oh, I don't know. Sounds pretty good to me. I'm sorry. What? That's on your voice. It just cracks me up sometimes. All right. Well, thank you. You're a big help around here. Well, all I can do is all I can do. That's right. You know, that makes me think of the hummingbird. She had a really good attitude too. You know, back in the days of the grandfathers, this is the story of Hummingbird and the Great Fire. One day a great fire broke out in the forest, and all the woodland animals had to run to the river. And there was Wabooz the rabbit, and Asiban the raccoon, and Jagag the skunk, Wagosh the fox. And everybody stood there, and they were just upset as they watched their home burn. And they were bemoaning the destruction of their homes. Everyone thought there was nothing they could do about the fire, except for one little hummingbird. Nenukasi, she goes right into the river and she picks up a beakful of water and flies just fast into the flames. She gets in there and she drops a little bit of water and then she comes right back. And she didn't get burned because she's so fast, you know. And she dives right back in, gets a beakful of water and goes right into the fire and drops some water. Turns around, comes back. And all the animals were watching her do this and they were like, oh, what are you doing? That's not even going to help. Why do you even want to waste your time? But Nenu Kasi, she didn't even pay attention. She just kept on doing it. Finally, Wagosh, he just rolls his eyes and he says, what do you think you are doing? And the hummingbird, without wasting time or missing a beat, looked back and said, I'm doing what I can.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again.
Nenukasi just kept going back and forth. Well, Gitchi Manitou, the Great Spirit, he sees this and he's just impressed. So he says, Nenukasi, because of your good attitude, I am going to give you super speed. And pretty soon Nenukasi, she could fly faster than any bird. She could flap her wings so fast that she could just hover there in the air. Not even the eagle could do that. And in some ways, Nenukasi became the most powerful of all the birds.
And so it comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, oh.
And that is the story of Nenu Kasi and Chi Ishkore. That is the story of Hummingbird and the Great Fire. Hey. All right, well, hey, you've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Giga waba min minoa hoa. Hey, yeah. All right, how was that? Oh, not too bad. I think you did a pretty good job. Yeah, thanks. Miigwech. It's not always going to be the way you wanted it to be. And besides, they're just pancakes. Oh, Boozhoo ni Janashanabedug. And welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, Natasha away. This is Natasha. She's a little gush kingdom. She's sad because her pancakes didn't turn out the way she had hoped. And in life, sometimes sometimes life's filled with disappointment. You can really have your hopes up about something, and sometimes it doesn't turn out the way you want it to be. And I'm not sure what to say about that. In the Anishinaabe way, we have a saying. We say, Niwi Ayan, Makare Mashki Kiwabu. I want some coffee. Hey, you want some coffee? Grandma, can you make us some coffee? We need a picker-upper. Yeah, I don't think she's even here. Okay, so Gush Kingdom, sad. Or if you want to say, I am sad, you say, Ningush Kingdom, I'm sad. Ningush Kingdom, my pancakes didn't turn out. What am I gonna do? Hey, all right. Well, you've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Giga waba min minowa hoa. Yeah, you're just gonna have to move on. I mean, I'm sorry. I want to be supportive, but who cares?
You can try and catch me, but I'm way too